DIY fixes for a stuck Ctrl key.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into a common issue that plagues many computer users, a stuck Ctrl key. This might seem daunting, but you'll be glad to know that you can indeed try to fix a stuck Ctrl key on your own. Of course, if these methods don't work, you might need professional help. So, let's dive in.
Is the issue software or hardware related?
The first thing we need to determine is whether the issue is software or hardware related. For example, the problem could be due to a software glitch or a physically jammed Ctrl key. To check if it's a software issue, try to use an on-screen keyboard or a different physical keyboard if one is available. If the Ctrl key works fine in these cases, then it's likely a software issue. On the other hand, if the Ctrl key is still stuck, then you probably have a hardware problem.
Fixing software issues.
If you have a software issue, it might be due to a faulty driver or a sticky keys feature that's been accidentally turned on. To update your keyboard driver, 1. Open the device manager in your operating system. 2. Find keyboards in the list of devices and click on it to expand the section. 3. Right-click on your keyboard's name and select Update Driver. In the case of the sticky keys feature, 1. Go to the Ease of Access settings in your operating system. 2. Look for a setting named Sticky Keys or similar. 3. Ensure this feature is turned off.
Fixing hardware issues.
If the problem is with the keyboard hardware, you might be able to fix it by cleaning the keyboard. Here's how. 1. Unplug the keyboard from your computer. 2. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from under the keys. Make sure you're careful to avoid causing further damage. 3. If the key is physically stuck, you might need to carefully remove the keycap, the plastic part you press down, to see if something is jamming it. Be very gentle and cautious to avoid breaking the key. 4. Once the debris is removed, replace the keycap carefully. Remember, while it's generally safe to clean your keyboard, you risk causing more harm if you're not careful. Well, there you have it. These are some simple steps you can follow to attempt to fix a stuck Ctrl key. However, if none of these solutions work or if you're uncomfortable doing this on your own, it's best to seek professional help. Remember, it's always important to keep your device's safety in mind. Hope this information was helpful. Happy troubleshooting!